Today we're going to be working with a wireless remote, inputting our product option codes. We're going to be working at the high wall mount unit. So we're going to hit the power button to turn the remote on. And now we're going to flip the remote over to the back, remove the back cover, and we're going to take one battery out. And then flip it back over and hit the power button again. It's going to make the screen go blank. And now to get the option coding to come up, you're going to hold and toggle the up and down temperature button with 2 fingers and flip the remote back over. While you're holding the up and down temp button, you're going to put the battery back into place. Once you let off, the screen is going to come up like this, auto on 00. And in this particular option code, the first digit is 10. So on this remote, it's going to be your power saving and wind free mode. Most of our remotes are the up and down fan button, but in this case, it's going to be the power saving and wind free button. The wind free button is going to change your left segment, and the power saving button is going to change your right segment. So in this case, we want it to say 10, so you're going to hit the energy saving button down once. So we have auto on 10. To move to the next segment, you're going to hit mode. It's going to say cool on 00. This one we want it to say 02. So you're going to hit the power saving button up twice to get it to say 02. So we got cool on 02. Then we're going to hit mode again to move to the next segment. Dry on is 00. On this one, we want it to say 57, so down 5 times, and up 7. And then we got dry on 57, so hit mode, goes to the next screen. Fan on is 6, A is an alpha, so we're going to go down 6. As far as the alphabet goes, it goes 0 through 9 first, and then it'll start A through F. So we're going to go up. Right past 9, you'll hit A. So it says fan on 6A, so hit the mode button again to move to the next segment. We have heat on 00. We want it to say 38. So down 3 times, up 8 times. So heat on 38, hit the mode button to progress to the next segment. And then it goes to the auto off position. So on this particular unit, auto off is 73, so down 7 times. And up 3 times. So we have off 73 auto, hit the mode button to go to the next segment. Cool off is 23, so down 2 times and up 3 times. So off 23 cool, hit the mode button again. So dry off 00. On this one we want it to say Charlie 7, so again go past 9 into the alphabet, and we have Charlie and then up 7. And then we have off C7, dry, hit mode. Fan off, we want it to say 16. So down once, up 6 times. So off 16 fan, hit the mode button. And then heat off, we want it to say 34. So down 3 times and up 4 times. So now when you have your option code set, the last one is normally heat off. You're going to go to the unit and you're going to press the power button 5 times. You will hear the unit chime if it takes the code. And then before you try to turn your unit on, you're going to want to come back to the remote and turn it over, take one battery out, turn it back over, hit the power button to get it out of option coding. And this time you're not going to hold any buttons down. You're just going to put the battery back in. It's going to reset. And then you'll just put your cover back on. And now you're ready to use the unit. For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.